The Can-Am Outlander 6x6 is a beast of a machine, designed for tackling tough jobs and terrain. It's essentially a regular Can-Am Outlander all-terrain vehicle, ATV, with an extra axle in the back, giving it superior traction and cargo capacity. The Outlander 6x6 has a massive dual-level cargo box that can hold up to 700 pounds, 318 kilograms, of gear. This makes it ideal for hauling supplies for hunting, camping, or work projects. Powerful engines. The Outlander 6x6 comes in 3 engine options: a 450 cubic centimeters single cylinder, a 650 cubic centimeters Rotax V-twin, and a 1000 cubic centimeters Rotax V-twin. With 6 wheels instead of 4, the Outlander has a larger footprint and better weight distribution, which helps it dig in and climb over obstacles that would stop a regular ATV. The BMW Vision Dee Concept is a concept car unveiled by BMW at the CES 2023. It showcases how BMW envisions the future of in-car technology and the driver experience. The car features a revolutionary head-up display, HUD, with augmented reality that can project information onto the windshield, such as navigation instructions, warnings, and even the speed limit. This technology allows the car to change its exterior color. Drivers can use a touch-sensitive slider on the dashboard to control the amount of information displayed. E-Ink exterior. The iVision Dee can change its exterior color with the help of BMW E-Ink technology. This allows drivers to personalize their car's appearance or even potentially use it for safety reasons. The car is equipped with an AI assistant that BMW calls Dee, Digital Emotional Experience. The FLJ new F1 electric scooter is a high-performance electric scooter that is designed for adults. It has a 12,000 W motor that can reach speeds of up to 75 miles per hour, 120 kilometers per hour, and a 72V battery that offers a range of up to 100 to 150 kilometers, 62 to 93 miles, on a single charge. The scooter also has a number of features that make it safe and comfortable to ride, including hydraulic front suspension, 13-inch road tires, and an app-based control system with password and NFC functions. The hydraulic suspension provides a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough roads. With a top speed of 75 miles per hour, this scooter is not for beginners. It is important to be an experienced rider and to wear all of the proper safety gear when riding this scooter. The FLJ new F1 electric scooter is a powerful and exciting electric scooter that is perfect for experienced riders who are looking for a thrill. The Arosno E-Trace is the world's first electric snow bike, designed to revolutionize snow sports by combining the thrills of sledding with the power and control of an electric mountain bike. The E-Trace features a regular bike frame with a single ski at the back instead of a wheel. It also has a small rubber track in place of the front wheel. This design allows you to ride on various snow terrains, including forest paths, meadows, and even designated walking areas. Electric-powered, the E-Trace boasts a 250-watt Sachs RS electric motor powered by a removable 48-volt lithium battery. With the combined effort of the motor and the rider's pedaling, the E-Trace can reach speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour, 15.5 miles per hour, and cover a distance of 45 kilometers, 28 miles, on a single charge. Easy to use, the E-Trace is designed to be user-friendly, even for those who are new to winter sports. The Concept e-bike 1865 is a fascinating concept bike designed by the German design studio Ding 3000 in collaboration with the chemical company BASF. It's not your typical e-bike, it's a reimagining of the very first pedal-powered bicycle, the Velocipede, but with a modern twist. The Velocipede, invented in 1865, hence the name of the Concept e-bike, had a giant front wheel and a much smaller back wheel. The Concept e-bike 1865 retains this distinctive design element, but utilizes modern materials and technology to create a sleek, high-tech machine. Puncture-proof tires. The large front wheel and the small back wheel are made of BASF's Infinergy, the world's first expanded thermoplastic polyurethane (ETPU). This material is not only lightweight but also extremely durable and puncture-proof, which is a major advantage over traditional bike tires. The Kwiggle folding bike is known for being the world's most compact folding bike, touting features that make it ultra-portable and convenient for city life. The Kwiggle folds down to a remarkably small size, 55 by 40 by 25 centimeters, comparable to a carry-on suitcase. This allows you to easily store it in a bus, train, or even under your office desk. Weighing in at only 9 to 10 kilograms, 20 to 22 pounds, the Kwiggle is easy to carry around, whether you're taking it upstairs or on public transportation. Fast folding. The Kwiggle can be folded and unfolded in just 10 seconds, making it a breeze to transition between riding and storing. Comfortable ride. Despite its compact size, the Kwiggle is designed for comfort. It has an adjustable seat post and a comfortable riding position. The Ascento Pro is an autonomous mobile robot designed for security, inspection, surveillance, and urban deliveries. It's created by Ascento Robotics, a company based in Switzerland. Stair climbing. One of the most impressive features of the Ascento Pro is its ability to climb stairs. It can handle full flights of stairs, making it ideal for use in multi-story buildings. All-weather operation. The Ascento Pro is built to handle a variety of weather conditions, including rain, snow, and wind. The Ascento Pro is a versatile robot with the potential to revolutionize various industries. Its ability to navigate complex environments, climb stairs, and operate autonomously makes it a valuable tool for security, inspection, surveillance, and delivery tasks. The Ascento Pro can navigate its surroundings and complete tasks without human intervention. The Yamaha Motoroid 2 is the next iteration of Yamaha's self-balancing electric motorcycle concept, unveiled in 2023. It builds upon the original Motoroid's groundbreaking features and takes them a step further. Here's what's new and exciting about the Motoroid. The Motoroid 2 refines the Active Mass Center Control System, AMCS, for even better self-balancing capabilities. This means it can stay upright more confidently and handle dynamic situations with greater stability. One of the most fascinating features of the Motoroid 2 is its ability to transform to accommodate 3 distinct riding positions. This mode lowers the rider's center of gravity by placing their knees on newly incorporated knee-hold grips. With its focus on rider comfort, safety, and emotional connection, the Yamaha Motoroid 2 paints a picture of a future where motorcycles are not just machines, but companions that adapt to our needs and desires. The ExoQuad Concept 2019 is an all-terrain, electric wheelchair designed for people with mobility impairments to explore off-road environments. It combines features of a motorcycle and a mechanized suit, offering a unique and potentially liberating experience. The ExoQuad could allow people with limited mobility to experience the outdoors in ways that traditional wheelchairs might not allow. Freedom and independence. The off-road capability could provide a sense of freedom and adventure for users who might otherwise be limited to paved surfaces. Social interaction. Exploring nature with the ExoQuad could open doors for social interaction and inclusion in outdoor activities. The ExoQuad Concept 2019 is an exciting idea that has the potential to improve the lives of people with limited mobility. Its off-road capabilities could open doors to new experiences and a greater connection with nature. If you're interested in this type of technology, it's worth keeping an eye out for further developments from Exotech. Unlike traditional wheelchairs, the ExoQuad is built to handle rough terrain. It features 4 independent electric motors and wheels with knobby tires, providing traction and stability on uneven surfaces.